Are human-led product demos dead in 2025? Will interactive real-time AI demos become the norm? OpenAI have just updated their real-time API and dropped a demo on GitHub. Let's take a look. Okay, let's take a look at Jupyter. And show me its moons. What is the moon Io? Why is it so red?
Io is one of Jupiter's largest moons and is known for its active volcanism.
Let's have a look at Mars. And could you do a pie chart of its surface composition? And a bit more detail in the other minerals section? Nice. So the big question then, in your opinion, what's the probability of life outside of planet Earth?
Many scientists believe the probability is high. The
That's good enough for me. Thanks very much. Well, I think this is going to be extremely powerful. The combination of real-time chat and function calling means that almost any software product demo can be delivered in this manner. What are some of the use cases that you're thinking about? Drop them in the comments and I'll see you down there.